Alright, so welcome to Chem 99 class. This video is going to show you how Chem 99 is going to work. Alright, so Chem 99 is a study skills and learning how to learn class. We have different assignments that you're going to be performing throughout the year, and hopefully as you perform them you'll learn a little bit more about learning and a little bit more about how to study and perform well in difficult classes. So we don't have a lot of any chemistry based material in this class, but specifically this class is to help you do well in chemistry. We find that a lot of students who don't do well in our difficult chemistry classes generally are lacking in a few study skill areas and organizational skills. Alright, so this is how this class is going to work. You're going to interact with the class through Canvas. Alright, so if you go to your Canvas page and look for courses and then select your Chem 99, if you're enrolled it should be on your Canvas page there. And then you're going to have assignments. Alright, the syllabus should be available for you to preview, and then you're going to have assignments. And the list of assignments should be available for you. So these lists of assignments here, if you click on assignment, then generally there's going to be a link to a video, and you're going to watch that video, and then you're going to tell me what you learned in that video or from that video. All right, it's not always a video. Sometimes it's a portion of a book reading that I'll have you do, but most often it's something visual in terms of video. And then after you are, or when you're ready to submit an assignment, let me go here to settings to make sure we're looking at this the way the student would view it. Because after you click on an assignment in student view, alright, then so you're going to have something like this: overdue assignments, upcoming assignments, past assignments. So you click on an upcoming assignment, here's the link to the video, and then you can submit your assignment by clicking on this link here. Alright, so clicking on this link, and essentially in all the assignments I want you to tell me what you've learned. So you're going to click on the assignment here, and then you're going to spend 5 minutes, a complete 5 minutes writing. Alright, if you get distracted or something and stop, you need to make sure that you start up your timer in terms of writing for a full 5 minutes. I need to get 5 minutes of writing. I don't care about grammar, I don't care about spelling. I just want to see what you've learned. I'm not going to be looking at whether or not you learned the things I want you to learn. I want to see what you've learned from these snippets of either reading or video. Okay? Hopefully the watching the material and writing about them will be the learning process, and hopefully you'll be able to learn from these things, and then this writing up your assignments or your journaling here will allow you to kind of internalize this and recognize the things that you need to improve on to do better in difficult classes. Alright, so after you're done you can say submit assignment, and then that assignment will be submitted. Alright, so if I go back to my assignments here, the other component that's going to contribute to your grade is your attendance. So the assignments will be due 3 times a week, and generally they'll be due Tuesday evening, Wednesday evening, and Thursday evening. That may vary as the course goes, but if you pay close attention to the assignment lists, then you'll see when the assignments are due. Alright, but attendance is the other way to get credit for this class. And what you're going to do for attendance is you're going to be attending the chemistry tutors 3 times a week. Alright, now their hours will be posted outside room 133, and you can find out when they're available to attend, but you need to be attending them 3 times a week, and the times that you do attend, you need to at least attend them 20 minutes. So hopefully you'll find that as you attend them that the experience is favorable and helps you understand the chemistry work that you're working on. And this process of attending them 3 times a week, for 20 minutes is really just to get you involved with the tutors. You need to do at least 20 minutes 3 times a week. But hopefully you end up recognizing that spending time there either with tutors or also forming groups with other students. They don't have to be Chem 99 students, but forming groups and studying in groups. These are the things that we have found to be most consistent amongst successful students. Studying in groups, studying with the tutors, and studying early and frequently. So the way that you'll show me that you have attended the classes is by interacting with the students or the tutors. The tutors will have a page that you can sign into to show that when you showed up and when you left, to interact with the tutors, and this should be on a computer. If the computer's down for whatever reason, they might have a paper that you can sign, but that is how you're going to get credit for your attendance. All right? When you're at the tutors, I don't want you spending time on your Chem 99 assignments. And so generally the Chem 99 assignments will be closed from 5 to 10, which is the time that I would reserve for attending the tutors. When you're at the tutors, you should be working on your chemistry assignments. All right. The attendance, 20 minutes, you won't be able to work generally on your Chem 99 assignments. That needs to be done outside of tutoring time. But the tutoring or the Chem 99 assignments are very easy. They should be easily done within usually 5 minutes of watching. Sometimes it's a little bit longer. Sometimes it's a devotional or a conference talk that I want you to watch a little bit more of. But generally it's a short video and then 5 minutes of writing. Okay? So we have the assignments that you're going to be doing throughout the year, usually about 3 times a week. And we also have the attendance. And those are the ways that you're going to get your points. And again, I don't want you to be writing what you think I want you to write, because I'm not going to be grading on that. I'm only going to be grading on what I can, or whether I can tell you learned what you learned. All right. So if you can't communicate to me what you've learned, then that's an issue. If you're not learning the correct things, then it's going to be my job to change the video or to adjust it for the next time to try to get you to learn what I would like you to learn. Another thing that we have is we have the Turnitin module, or the Turnitin piece of software. It will be checking the originality of your write-up. If your 5 minutes worth of writing for the assignment is less than 20 or less than 80% or more than 20% non-authentic, or in other words, if you get a 20% score or higher on your plagiarism score, right, then I won't record the assignment. You won't get credit for the assignment. Now you can pay attention to that number. It's available to you to look at, and you can resubmit it. But doing the assignments in a timely manner on time is very important. And again, we're not going to accept. We don't want to get behind. We want to keep doing the assignments so we can get through them all. We don't want this to be one that the assignments pile up and you ignore other classes, right? This should be just a little bit each day type of a class. All right, so that in a nutshell is how our Chem 99 class is going to work.